This is like super place, man. For all those who always missed this dialogue, welcome to GP's vlog. Welcome to GP's vlogs. And I'm leaving from Alibag now. I have to reach Mumbai for some meeting. And this jacket is such a dirt magnet. Like, you cannot see it now, or might be, yeah, you can see it. It just on one ride, it caught so much of dirt. It looks so cool after it gets dirty. Yeah, so this is my dad's organic farming. When they come here and they do all these things here. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, you would have known what things I was doing here for 2 days. And I suddenly wake up today to vlog. So let's vlog the return journey from Alibag to Mumbai. Let's go. Bye bye Alibag farmhouse. Okay, this looks like a nice place to click a picture. I don't have patience to get down and do this now, but yeah, you can pass through this, get a nice GoPro shot and leave. Okay, let's go off the road. Seen this one place at end of this road which I always want to go and click pictures at, so today I'm going to explore it. Let's try and see where it goes, where it leads. Okay. For the first time, exactly don't know where I'm leading to. Whenever I used to be on that road, I used to always see this building and wonder what it is. I think today is the time when I actually am going towards that place and checking what it is. Yeah. Okay, we've reached almost there. Hope I don't find something unusual which is not worth being there. Wow, it's like a junction or a train stop which is no more used by anyone. Okay, so I leave my bike here. What did it say? Kopar Kubi. Wow. That's a railway track. I wish there comes a train from somewhere and we get a nice shot. Oh wow, look at this. Let's go ahead. I feel I should actually take a video tour of this place wearing my GoPro. I'm getting some weird ideas of doing some things at this place, like jumping out of this place with my bike and stuff, but I'm not sure. Let's go inside. Okay, I don't know if people actually come here. Wow. This is something. Beer bottles for sure. It's India. Nice. On top of that building. I could have done a jump out of this place shot, but then there are a lot of things inside. I think I'll do it. Let's go up here. That's Optimus Prime standing here. Should we go inside here? Scared? Wow. Scary to go inside such places, but then this looks so beautiful. Yeah, it does. I want to go on top. This is a little scary. Wow. Wow. This is like super place, man. I don't know what this place is supposed to be, but then look at this shot. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cool. Okay, so basically it's time to run from this place now. It's getting hot now. Let's go. That was a superb shot, right? Okay, let's go from here. Hey, what's up? One sec. What? Just one sec. Okay. Okay. Leaving from this place. Oh my God! Why it's not starting? Yeah, you're superb. Now it's scary to be here. Let's go. I should actually vlog, right? Saw that? You saw that? Fucker! And how close he is. That's called getting back to Mumbai. Stuck in traffic from every single place. Wow. Okay. Reaching Mumbai, collecting newspapers, and getting inside. First, I think I'll remove my helmet and everything and then take bike inside. Bad idea. Let's first take bike inside. Oh. Optimus is home. Put a thumbs up if you are a Bumblebee lover and you love my Bumblebee. Think that Bumblebee is super. What's say, bro? Okay, still wait because I think I need to show you guys someone. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, all you pistonneuts out there, don't be an oil can. And look who's here. Hey, Chiggy. 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 Chiggy.
Chiggy.